In yesterday's video, I showed you how to use the GitHub desktop app to send an update to your GitHub website, GitHub Pages website, through the app. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a very simple development environment using web server for Chrome. That's this guy right here. So if you go over to chromebeat.com, and then they got a little search function, and you type web server, and then it looks like it's the second one down. It says 200 OK. And if you scroll down, there's got a little button where you can go to the Chrome store, and then you can add it. Once you've downloaded the app, go ahead and start it up, and you should have this window right here. First thing you want to do is you want to choose the folder, and we're using the GitHub folder where all of our repositories are being stored. And so I got the GitHub folder right here, and then let's just go ahead and choose our website. That's that one right there. Perfect. So now you can see right here that it's choosing the folder that contains our website. Let's go ahead and turn the web server on. You can go ahead and click down here, or what you can also do is you can just go over to your browser and you can type that in. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy it. Then right up here, we're going to go ahead and copy that in. Hit enter. There's our website. Alright, now that we can see that our development environment is working, let's check out our actual live website. Alright, there it is. You can see up here, there's our website, and over here is our development environment. Now let's go ahead and make a few changes. If we go into our GitHub desktop app, we can go ahead and open in Sublime Text Editor. And then let's go to the page and let's make a couple changes. First update, let's change that to development environment. Hopefully I spelled that right. Let's go ahead and save that. Let's go ahead and refresh our development. And there we go. And if we go over to our live site, we'll go ahead and refresh it. You see it stayed the same. Alright, so that's a real quick and very simple way to set up a development environment. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to use GitHub's branch feature, which lets you organize your updates and collaboration efforts, and is a very useful tool. Alright, see you next time.